Wow, this music is so nice, right? Okay, I will be making a 12 single crochet and increase, okay? Oh, you need to make an increase. One single crochet, and then this is a 2. One single crochet and 2. I will be increase right over here. One single crochet, and this is a 2, and then I will increase. One single crochet. Oh my gosh, there is a loose. I need to do it again. Increase right over here, okay? One single crochet, and this is a 2, and increase. One single crochet, and this is a 2 single crochet, and then I will do increase, and this is a 1, and this one is a 2, and after this I will increase my patterns. Or you can just make a slip stitch in the stitches, okay? Okay, now we will be making a slip stitch, or you can just make a 1 single crochet patterns. And don't forget to mark the stitches in your first one. So this one is our first one for now. Or you can just mark over here. Don't make a slip stitch, but just making a single crochet patterns, and then I will be marking over here, and I will make a single crochet all over the chains. Making a single crochet patterns all over the chains. Okay, now I will be doing next patterns, like 1 single crochet patterns, and then we will just decrease, okay? This is our 1 single crochet patterns, and don't forget to mark the stitches every time in your first stitches. Okay, 1, and then I will decrease right over here, okay? 1 single crochet, and then this is a decrease. You have a 2 loops, you need to make a 3 loops over here. 1 single crochet, and this is a 2 single crochet. Oh sorry, you need to decrease, not 1 single crochet and decrease, okay? This is a decrease. Again, do the same thing, 1 single crochet and then decrease. One single crochet, and you need to decrease right over here. 1 single crochet, and then I will be decrease. 1 single crochet, okay, and then decrease the pattern.